Hey, it's Tytus from DanceInsanity, and we're going to be doing a little bit of cha-cha choreography. Pretty basic with a head roll and a body roll. Let's jump into it. Starting with the cucaracha to the right. Got side, replace. Now that right foot's going to do a mini flick, and then back, replace, side. From here, it's going to go across, replace, side, replace, back, replace, side. Now, right foot crosses and checks, replace ronde, back, replace, close. Now a little head roll, so go to the right, forward, left, then body wave, chest sticks out, stomach sticks out. From here, it's gonna be a double thrust back, bam, bam. Then just Cuban rocks on the spot, left, right, left. Then we can do it from the beginning again, little turn, we're ready to do it again. Let's try it from the top. So, timing will be ends 2, 3, and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and close, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. A little bit faster. And 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Beginning 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, head roll, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Okay, and there you have it. Let's try with some music. I'm Tytus from DanceInsanity. Hope you enjoyed that. Be sure and dance along with us every single day. Subscribe to our channel and get all of our videos as soon as they come out. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.